Hey guys, welcome to episode 4 of this CSS tutorial series. What we'll be talking about in this series is adding lines, or how to add lines or border elements in HTML. Basically, what I'm trying to explain here is how can we add lines or border to these HTML elements we have here. Remember, we have our heading 1, heading 2, this is a paragraph, and this is a paragraph. How can we add lines to all this? This is what we're about discussing. So presently, let's just dive back to the code and do that right away. So now we already have the codes here, so we'll continue with what we have presently. Now, what does this is the border attribute or border element in CSS rule, whereby you adding border to it. So let's just add the first line of code. It's a border. Let's say 2 pixel solid. Then let's just give it black color. Let's save it. Let's preview what we have. Here you go. You can see this, but it's a bit dark. So what I need to do right now, let me remove this background color. We'll add it in just a moment. Here we go. Now you have the border there, but because the text color is white, we are unable to see it. So at this point, let's just do a little bit of ass cleaning. I'll change this to black, then make this 3 and make this red. So if we save this, come back here, there we go. And this is what I'm trying to explain, adding a line or border to our HTML elements. As you can see, this is our HTML2 element, and this is our HTML1 element, or having a border all around it. Now, this border could be up here and down, or just an underline, assuming you want to underline each of these words. We can just do that by using another CSS attribute. So at this point, let's just add that one line of code. It has been bordered, but we want to remove that. So right now, let's say border bottom. Paste that back there. If we go back and refresh it, there we go. We now have this underline due to this line of code which says border bottom 3 pixel solid red. What does this mean? This is the thickness. It specifies the thickness of that underline, and this brings it out. This solid makes it visible for the user to see, and this is the color attribute, both here. So you can do this by separating each of them: border bottom 3 pixel, border bottom color, but that will take up a lot of space. So this is just how you add a line to it. So at this point, assuming you want to add this line both bottom and top here, making the text center itself, you can add this same line of code, copy it here, paste. At this point, all you just need to do, instead of bottom, you change it to top. If you save this, there you go. it has added this text line up here and line down here. So at this point in time, you see this in websites and the rest. This is just a simple trick on how to get that done. So in our next tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use CSS inheritance and overriding. This is just an attribute in CSS5, basically CSS3 rather. Sorry about that. So we'll do that in the next tutorial. See you there.